Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I have another hair video. So for all of my girls, specifically blonde girls who want to tone their hair, definitely keep on watching. I just wanted to start out the video showing you guys the products that I'm going to be using. I do have another video specifically literally just like this using these same products. So if you guys want to take a look at that, it's on my channel. But basically today I'm going to be toning my hair. Slash dyeing it. It has grown out a lot. My natural hair color is brown, light brown, and I am dyeing it back to a blonde color. So the two Wella Toners that I'm going to be using today is T35 and T15. I am going to be mixing both of them together. Now I am going to be using a 20 volume developing cream. So let's go ahead and mix these things together. And yeah, let's get started. But I definitely want to add as well that let's pretend I was using just one of these. The way that you mix this together is 1 part of this permanent toner with 2 part of this volume. So since I'm going to be using 2 toners, I'm going to be mixing these 2 in a bowl and then 4 parts of the volume. So yeah, let's go ahead. Guys, so I just wanted to also show you guys my hair. So if you guys can tell, my hair is super dark on top, and then whoop, it gets blonder and blonder by the ends. So I'm hoping that by using these toners, my hair gets leveled out like to this blonde hair like it did last time. I do acknowledge that this is just a toner, but I do sense to use these toners like just like a permanent hair color. So instead of using like a box dye, I turn to these toners to be able to dye my hair one whole color. And honestly, last time I did a really good job. So yeah, I just want to show you guys how dark my hair is on top. It's like really brown. I definitely want to add, most importantly, that my hair is dirty. It's about 3 to 4 days dirty. I always heard that in order to dye your hair, definitely your hair has to be oily, just because the oils protect your hair from like further damage. So yeah, let's get started. I'm going to be mixing them in this little bowl. So I have a super crazy update. I went to go mix these 3 products in a bowl to then put them in my hair, and literally the bowl was leaking, so most of the toner got out of the bowl and I was left with a lot of the volume developer. So that's not good. I still went ahead and put it on my hair. I honestly don't even know what the results are going to be like, but tune in if something similar ever happens to you. I literally put the bowl right here and it was just all spilling out. And as soon as you know it, there was only cream developer and less of the toner. So this is going to be really interesting. So a quick update, you guys. It looks like my hair is definitely changing into the toner color, which is good. You guys can see it right here. Earlier my hair was mostly brown here, with dark brown and like blonde. So yeah, this is the update after about 20 minutes. Gonna take it out soon now. Alright guys, so I just got out the shower and this is what my hair looks like. It looks a little bit yellow up here. I'm guessing because of the light in my bathroom is like really yellow. But I'm hoping when I dry it, you know, it looks good. I didn't mess up my hair, but so far, while wet, it looks like it definitely, you know, toned my hair. And I definitely used blue shampoo. I used vanilla. So we'll see. I'm gonna dry it out soon and let's see the results. But this is what it looks like while wet so far.